This is a big tree over in the corner. Thank goodness I put the cars away. One's in the basement, one's in the driveway. Trees down all over. That takes care of a boat. There's another tree from the neighbor on the other side. I'm facing Chamberlain Avenue. Looks like I whipped all the leaves off of that tree up there. It's the tree I had taken down. Wires are down. Looks like gutters came off the house. Yeah. Another tree down over here. We got a telephone transformer. There's Chris and what's her name in the door there. You well, everything's down, huh?
You wouldn't believe how stupid some people are.
Why?
They can't get through on Brook Road because of the tree there.
Yeah.
So they come down Ready, and then they turn up Seminary and come up as far as
We came down this way, we couldn't get in. We came down this way, we couldn't get in. So we're like, came back around here and ended up driving through the yard.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Hey, somebody came through this yard, through our yard.
It did. It wasn't us.
no, it wasn't you.
Disappointed to lose this big tree.
Oh, yeah, I hate to see that go. You know, that's a shame, really.
Right.
Right, we won't have any trees in the front now.
It's amazing to me how small the root balls are on these trees.
Yeah, that's true.
But, you know, it's exactly what they said would happen.
Yeah, not much holding.
Well, it's not very deep at all.
It's been wet for so long.
I would imagine. It would take a tornado, I think, to do this.
Right,
That's a mess, isn't it?
that is.
Takes care of cable for a few days.
This is true.
Yeah.
Yeah, cables down, our phones down, we got trees down in the back. Have you got some down?
Huh?
Have you got some down?
Well, I'm just renting a room right now temporarily to Get Park Women's Club down in Reading.
Oh.
We had a tree go down. I bet there's 1,000 trees went down.
Oh, there are a lot of trees down. My gosh, they're down all over. Now's time to have breakfast. Get ready for the day's work.
You have to go to, if you don't have gas, you have to, it's cold syrup. I'm afraid to open the refrigerator. I want to try to save that food.
Save what you got,
It
huh?
could be a day, 2 days before.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a while before all this is cleaned up. Sure, no question. See, I've got stuff down in the backyard there.
This is probably duplicated all over the city.
Oh yeah, it is.
You got 10 minutes to clean this mess up.
All the neighbors, everybody's here. I'm going to go in. I'm going to go get my chainsaw. The wind is picking up again. I'm slipping away quietly. The power goes up there on the wall. I'm going to have to put it up there. I'm in the basement now. Water all over the place. You can hear the water running. Water. Put the car in here. What a beautiful sunny day in the neighborhood. We're making progress. Right there. One bit of damage on the boat. Betty. Yeah, there's plenty of work to do here. I'll get it done.
It's more important we get there than we spend time taking pictures.
You can, I'll close the door and the mom is at the helm.
Begin to influence, and pretty soon you came over and that was on.
This is Seminary Avenue in Richmond, Virginia. What's this, the 24th? This is the 27th, isn't it?
Yes.
The 27th of September in the year 2003. Lovely music. This is the light at Westwood Seminary. We're making a left turn. The mom is at the helm. Right, Mom? They're picking stuff up gradually, aren't they, dear?
Chasing a couple of dreamers.
A new church they built at the corner of Laburnum Avenue in Chamberlain. Inner Park Elementary School. Got a lot of this stuff cleaned up already. They're doing a great job. This shows the mess out there. Here's a big pile of debris, all the bamboo pulled out. Sash, go back in your pen. There's the fence standing up over there. It's a mess. A lot of work here. There it is. Here, I've been gradually taking it down. That's got the fence caved in. And the boat. Both broken. That damage right there, easy enough to see. But that's life.